Hello guys, welcome one more time to YAKea Solar Products. My name is Castano. I'm one of the engineers in the development department of YAKea Solar Miami. Today I'm going to introduce you to one of our latest products. It's called the mini YAKea-R-100. The R100 is a very complex product that uses top-of-the-line technology. Since it has an inverter, a 300-watt inverter, it could also be used to connect some small devices like a fan, a small TV, a radio, and many other. The system, as you see in this box right here, and it will also provide with 2 days of off-grid power, so it's a very powerful system for its size. I'm going to start plugging things in. As we see here, we have the actual box. Remember, all comes in one box, easy to install, easy to transport. We also have one extra box on the bottom, as we see there. Is for the battery. It comes with a big battery of 100 ampere hour 12 volts battery, as we see here. And this is the cabinet that also comes inside the box. I'm going to start plugging things in. I have the PV module, the battery cabinet, and some devices that I'm going to test the system with. So I'm going to start plugging things in one by one and teach you guys how to do it in your house, home, or whatever you're doing the installation. I'm going to start with the battery cabinet. It's pretty simple to connect. Pretty much you just put it in, lock it, and make sure it's safe so it's ready to go. So here we have the battery. Remember, it has some ventilation system, so it permits the airflow inside the battery cabinet. Also remember, this system covers the main necessities of a rural home, complying with the World Bank and United Nations guidelines. It's also called to be the leader product for rural electrification by many local and international entities. So it's like I said, it's a very powerful system for its size, and most people like it because of what it does. So I'm going to start plugging the PV module. I'm going to start with the PV module, so let me flip the system sideways so you guys can see the connection. It's pretty simple. Remember, the box also comes with a step-by-step manual that teach you guys how to do it step-by-step with graphics and do a proper installation. I'm going to go for the battery now. This is the battery connection. Make sure it goes all the way in. And there you have it. So here's the system. Now I'm going to explain a little bit of what's in the front. We see a bunch of LEDs in the front. These LEDs help us monitor the system. The four on the sides, on the side tells you the battery life. So it tells you if the battery is running low or if the battery is fully charged. So you see it here. Also, we have the on and off power LED. We have the fall, which is a safety feature in case of an overcharge of a device. The system will protect itself from any overcharging, so it doesn't damage the system. And we have the solar. The solar LED is very important. This means when the PV module is connected, it tells you if it's charging or it's not charging. When it goes green, it means it's charging. When it goes red, it means it's not charging. But it tells you if it's connected or not. Okay. Then we have the same thing for the battery. Exactly same thing for the battery. And we have 4 LEDs at the end for the 2 USB ports. As I told you in the previous videos, the 2 USB ports can be selectable, so you can go from 3.3 volts to 8.4. So it's a very nice feature of this system. And now let me flip it sideways. I'm going to actually put it in a 45-degree angle so you guys can see. I'm going to start doing some connections. Remember, the PV module also comes with the rack and the connections for a proper installation. The rack already comes with the angle that you need, so it's already there. And I'm going to start connecting things one by one. I'm going to start with the LED lights. Also comes with a splitter, so you can connect the 3 LEDs at the same time. Let me go for one. The second one. Move this phone to the side so you guys can see. Okay, great. Now let's turn it on. And let's test all the LEDs one by one. Great, now we see them all lighting, perfect, that's great. Okay, also remember, for the USBs you have a multiple connectors, so you can connect different type of devices to the USB ports. I'm going to test now the USB with this phone that I have right here. So you guys can see it charging. You connect it here. Make sure it's there you go, we see it charging. And now let me test the AC port. It comes with 2 AC ports, and you have the AC switch as well, so you can turn it on and off to save some energy. And I'm going to try the AC, I'm going to try the fan. Let me turn it on. And great, we'll see it oscillating. Okay, there you have it, all the things that you need for a proper installation. So thank you so much for following us. This is a very simple product to install. Remember, it's easy to transport, easy to install, and safe. Also, the system can be mounted on a wall or can be set up in a table like this. So there you have it. Thank you so much for following us, and we'll keep you guys posted for more new and innovative products. Thanks.